Hello, my name is John Feeney. I'll be making a recording of the 43 bel canto studies by Bordogni for tuba. This is number 11. There's a couple things about it I want you to pay attention to. In measure 3, and then it happens again in measure 21, there's grace notes. When you first learn it, do it without the grace notes. The grace notes, in this case, should not affect the rhythm of what's written without the grace notes. So, for example, in measure 3, it would be quarter note, da, da, da. So you add the grace notes later. And I recommend you just practice them slowly and gradually speed it up to the speed that you're going to be going. Bass trombone will take more air than tuba on this piece. So some of the phrasings I'm messing with, and you feel free to adjust it however you want that you think fits the phrasing. So this is number 11 from the 43 bel canto studies for tuba. This is a wonderful piece of music. Good luck as you work on it.